If you're thinking about using Blaze, the generative AI software for businesses, you're probably wondering whether it's really the best choice. In this video, we're going to break down 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision and how it compares to other options out there. Stick around till the end for a better alternative that you can try for free. First things first, Blaze promises to help businesses grow by automating several key processes, but it's important to understand that while it offers a lot of features, its simplicity could be both a pro and a con. Some competitors offer more robust customization options, so if you need highly tailored workflows, Blaze might feel a little too basic for your needs. Next thing, Blaze focuses heavily on automating online reviews, but that's not its only offering. It also handles appointment booking, messaging, missed call follow-ups, and invoicing. While it certainly covers a lot, other software like Zoho or HubSpot may offer more in-depth functionality for CRM management and marketing automation. The third thing you need to know is that Blaze is designed for simplicity and ease of use. This is a huge advantage if you're not looking to waste time on a steep learning curve. But if you're already using a more complex tool, Blaze's interface might feel a little too streamlined, especially for advanced users. The fourth thing to note is its pricing. Blaze doesn't have long-term contracts or commitments, which means it's easy to test out with a 7-day free trial. However, once the trial ends, the subscription can get pricey depending on the size of your business. If you have a smaller team, it might feel more affordable, but larger companies might want to shop around. Next thing, one standout feature of Blaze is its messaging system. It allows for direct communication with clients and staff, which could be a game changer for businesses that rely on constant updates. But competitors like Intercom provide even more advanced features in this area, such as AI-powered chatbots and 24/7 customer support. The sixth thing to consider is that Blaze emphasizes appointment booking, making it ideal for service-based businesses. However, if your business operates in a more complex industry, you might want something with more scheduling flexibility, like Calendly or Acuity scheduling, which have more advanced integrations and support. The seventh thing is Blaze's invoicing system. It's straightforward and gets the job done, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive accounting solution, software like QuickBooks or Xero might be a better fit. Blaze's invoicing isn't as robust as these other platforms, especially for businesses that require detailed financial reports. The eighth thing to know is that Blaze has a strong focus on user feedback and adapts based on how businesses use the platform. But this means it might not be as stable as other competitors, which have had years to fine-tune their software for a wide range of industries. Next, Blaze does offer integrations with third-party software, but the options can be limited compared to competitors like Zapier, which has a wider network of integrations for even more specialized business needs. So, if your business relies on highly specific tools, Blaze might not be as flexible. The 10th thing to consider is customer support. Blaze does offer assistance via email, but if you're looking for more hands-on, real-time support, tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk might be a better fit. They provide live chat support, phone calls, and even social media integration, making it easier to solve problems quickly. The 11th thing you should know is that Blaze's AI capabilities are solid, but they might not be as advanced as others, like GPT-4-based tools or more sophisticated AI systems offered by larger companies. This could be an issue if you're looking for cutting-edge technology that can handle more complex tasks. And the 12th thing to keep in mind is that while Blaze does automate key tasks, it's still a relatively new player in the field. The platform may improve over time, but if you need a solution that's been battle-tested by a wide range of businesses, older tools like Salesforce or Zoho might have more proven results. So, in conclusion, Blaze is a good option for businesses that need an easy-to-use, affordable tool for automating key tasks. But if you want a solution that's more robust and tailored to your unique business needs, we recommend checking out our top choice that offers a free trial, no strings attached. You'll get all the features you need without the limitations that Blaze has.